Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to get Citrine in Warframe. Citrine is a Warframe introduced with the Lua's Prey update and is obtained through a specific mission on Mars. First, make sure the quest Heart of Deimos is completed, so when you go to Mars, the Tiana Pass node will be unlocked. Tiana Pass is a mirror defense mission, which means you will be defending two objectives across alternate phases. While completing the mission, enemies will drop special resources called Belric Crystals and Rania Crystals, which are used to purchase Citrine's parts and blueprint. After finishing a run, go to the crystal vendor inside the mission hub and spend your Belric and Rania Crystals. You can buy Citrine's chassis, neuroptics, systems, and her main blueprint directly from the shop. Repeat the Tiana Pass mission until you collect enough crystals to purchase all 4 components. Once you have all the blueprints, go to the Foundry and craft each part, then craft Citrine herself, and that's it. We just learned how to get Citrine by running the Tiana Pass Mirror Defense mission on Mars, collecting Belric and Rania Crystals, and using them to purchase and craft all of Citrine's blueprints. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.